do this thing. Zoom in on me. Alright, so here we go. What's up? Danny Hang Soccer with Colony, helping people do their business better. And I've been wanting to do this for myself. I know Polly has put out a video, but I wanted to test this presenter tracking mode myself because again, it is a great option and solution for remote learning, distance learning, virtual learning, whatever you want to call it. But right now, teachers are experiencing that. And so what's great is I can move around and the Polly Studio is gonna follow me, which is kind of cool. Test. So I'm just walking around the room, so as I'm talking, this thing is just following me. I'm not touching it or anything. It's just doing it all on its own via the Polycom Companion app, right? So you download that software, you gotta get the admin rights, get a login, get in there and go to the lab features, and that's where you're gonna find presenter mode. And we'll put the little, links or a little picture of that up on the screen. Our video guru guy will do that. Who's a new guy, by the way, named Justin Charles. He's doing our videos right now. So anyway, so this is a presenter mode. Again, if you're a teacher and you don't like to stand around and you want to be seen, this is so cool. Again, I'm not doing anything. It's just a Poly Studio video bar sitting there, and it's just following my moves, which is kind of cool. All right, so if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.